Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix the JBL headphone app that is not working and not finding your earbuds. So the first thing I must say that you're not alone, because I reviewed and I made a lot of tutorials for a lot of JBL products. And for example, with the JBL TuneBeam, it took me like 4 times trying to connect to actually see it in the app. So this is the first thing, is that you need to try it more like 5 times, 6 times, and even the earbuds were disconnecting from the app. This was another issue. The next thing that you want to do is that you want to go to the plus on the top right and actually see if you can find your earbuds or headphones there. So this is important. Try to go and download the app and go to top right if you can find it there. The second thing what you can do is that turn on the location. So turn on the location on your phone to actually see if it's going to work out. Only because like some people said that even that the location helped them to actually connect with it. This is another thing that it just need to have access, because some people had the earbuds like this, but they couldn't like click on it. So the next thing that you can try to do is that you want to put the earbuds back to the case, then take them out, and every earbud's got a different factory reset procedure. But what you want to do is to tap it 3 times, and 3rd times you want to hold maybe left earbud, right earbud, or both earbuds. So I don't know what kind of earbuds you have. So this is another thing that you can try to do. And then the standard procedure, try to uninstall the app, then install it again, try to update the app, and also you can try the clear cache. So when I'm going to go to settings, and I will go here to apps, and I'm going to write JBL headphones, you can go on the storage and you can go on the bottom right and clear cache and clear the data. So this is something that you can also try to do. And I hope this video was at least a little bit of helpful, and that some of the things that I recommended for you worked. But I wouldn't say it's like really amazing app. Yes, it works for some JBL earbuds, it works amazing. But for example, for this one, for the JBL TuneBeam, didn't work that great at all. So thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.